Greetings, my name is Daniel Tal. I'm going to go over the tool called Skimp, which is an import option to bring in a variety of models. So in this case, I'm working on a park. This is a PowerPoint presentation, and we needed to model in this very specific features, these water features that are located in this park. So first and foremost, I'm talking about Mind.sight.studios here. Dale Martin, who runs this, and he has a variety of different extensions that he provides for services and sale, including one of that I am affiliated with is Placemaker, just full disclosure, which I'll do some videos on that. In this case, we're going over Skimp, which is an importer and a poly reducer, which I'll go over in a separate video. In this case, I already have Skimp kind of working. It's going to import in this mesh that I'm going to go over that's part of this model. And it lets me reduce the size of the file, since some of these photogrammatic drone-derived or data sets can be rather large. You click import. I'm not going to go through that process right now because it'll take a little bit of time to do, but the end result is really useful. This is what we get into SketchUp from the drone data, or particularly photogrammetry, that will allow us to actually use these features in this model. I have the textures turned down low here. I'll show you what they look like in a second on a higher res version. But SketchUp, using Skimp, I'm importing in this geometry pretty effectively, and to work with it to get it into the broader model where we start modeling all the different features, and we have all the terrain in here. We could do this for buildings as well, as built, but this is a great tool that we use in terms of Skimp to import in and create these types of models and graphics. And again, the big important part about Skimp is the ability to import in OBJ or FBX formats and then poly reduce the internal resort, so you can get something like you can see here, where it is where the aerial is now turned off, and you can see the geometry and how rich the geometry is, and SketchUp can work with it. And SketchUp is constantly being improved to work with large models, and that's why I use Skimp. And again, Skimp is part of mind.sight.studios, and I will actually do a second video on Skimp showing how the poly reduction works. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe it if you want to see more content, and continue to have a good day.